The world has changed overnight due to the pandemic. Everything has been through online sessions, the classes for adults and children. It's been meetings and presentations. Everything has been done in a virtual world.
Country where the digital divide is incredibly vast. We have seen individuals run pillar to post to make these devices available for themselves and their children, to stay in touch, to continue working, and to continue learning.
Two programs reached out to our alumni and young people to make sure no child was left behind. The digital divide meant that while the world was talking about continuing learning, we realized that many of our young people that we work with and with their families were at a risk of going hungry as livelihoods were severely impacted by the lockdown. In addition to arranging ration kits, we also had to ensure that the sudden uncertainty that children faced was addressed. While Dream and Dream advocated for using this pause to reimagine what education should be like in the post-COVID-19 world, we reached out to our children and alumni to ensure no child was left behind. We moved our mentoring program online to continue to hold space for young people and also reach out to more youths who might need our support.
Teachers from our partner schools have been faced with similar challenges. They need to unlearn and relearn a lot of technology in terms of online teaching, using creativity, and also delivering their sessions. In addition to the professional commitments, teachers had to deal with their own family commitments, the anxiety that they have been dealing with, the pandemic that has created. Over the last 6 months, we had the privilege to work with 2000 plus teachers, and in this process, we learnt a lot from each other. We reached out to teachers to understand and hear from them about how they were feeling and what support they needed during the pandemic. From our employees, we conducted a workshop to understand COVID-19 and its implications. Through our partner schools and NGOs, we carried out reintegration session for teachers. We also used WhatsApp and Telegram to provide emotional support to our teachers. We are also creating content for blended learning to integrate life skills facilitation with our reintegration sessions.
More than ever before, we believe that young people need the skills to deal with uncertainty. With the entire world facing an uncertain future, we continue to advocate for life skills and are working towards building a robust and versatile support system for our young people. What we have learned from the last 20 years can be extrapolated to the uncertainty that is being felt around the world, and we would like to extend our support to any person or organization who could benefit from our expertise and the materials that we have designed for life skills education. It is our hope that we can emerge from this challenge together more connected than before.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನುಷಾ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಆಯುಷ್ 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಈ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ NGO ಕಂಪನಿಯವರು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬಡವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಆಹಾರ ಫುಡ್ ಕಿಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನರ ಜೀವನೋಪಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬಸವಲಿಂಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ 4ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂದೀಪ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರೀಮಿಂದ ಅದು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಹಾಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Today I like to share this moment that the Green of Dream, the group who has helped the teacher in this critical situation, that is COVID-19, that we all facing the problem nowadays. So we are very happy to have something from that group. So on behalf of all the teachers, I thank the group